The lob. Allen had to redirect. Finds Levert underneath with a uncontested flush. Dave Jackson, who played his collegiate ball at Penn State, swings it. Hetzheimer, up three. Kurucs off the back of the iron. Allen the offensive board. Franca basketball with the lead, but short-lived.
Well, that's going to be an emphasis for this Nets group heading into the season. Transition defense, yes, but also attacking the offensive board.
Jimmy Oliveira, the 29-year-old from Brazil. The lob upstairs. Allen spins and slams. Floor with Oliveira, who just made the bucket. Parochi, the jumper goes, so they haven't missed. They've had 5 lead changes. Dinwiddie, the acceleration. Prince lines it up. Bucket. It's a 3.
On all of your research.
Lob it up. The jam for the throw. Works in any language. I believe that's universal. Outside. Hetzheimer. Work it down low. Prince. Excellent position.
Versatility that Taurean Prince can bring to the table.
Jump shot for Hetzheimer. Just because you're 6'8", 275 doesn't mean you can't shoot it from downtown, as we know. Answers with a triple. Dinwiddie gives it up from the corner. It's Taurean Prince, the opponent's best player.
Yep.
That's his mentality.
Doesn't care who it is.
Hetzheimer can shoot it. Rafael Hetzheimer. Early. Acrobatic play, Oliveira. Good setup. Brooklyn's lead is 1. Jackson gives it up. Hetzheimer cans another. Averages just under 11 boards per game. Nwaba lobs it up. Oh, Jordan gets it to go. Play opening quarter. Pinson likes the matchup with Hetzheimer. The curl to the rim. It's Nwaba, 26-year-old native of Los Angeles. Diaz saves it. Hetzheimer has not missed. It's crazy.
Dave & Buster's has prizes. Though, like, can we get
we want a stuffed animal.
Yeah.
We'll make him go lefty.
Yeah, exactly. John and Mutsa, the bucket on one end. Jackson answers on the other. Extra. Nwaba, read all about it. It's a 3.
How do you like that ball?
Post-up opportunity. Count it. 29-27. Brooklyn, 40 seconds to go. Opening quarter. Catch and fire. Garrett Temple. It rims in for 3. Jump shot doesn't go for Carazza Neto, but the follow does. Abreu. And the Nets lead is down to 3. Kurucs drains it from downtown.
Jordan just swallows up everything.
Down the floor, Temple gets to the rim.
No.
Pinson, pretty ball fake. The flip goes down for Theo Pinson 4 seconds ago.
I was going to say, your research.
Musa, beautiful feed ahead. 41-29 Brooklyn. Jump shot for Chapman. Goes down. Extra opportunity, and they have an 11-point lead. Hetzheimer had the hot hand. It continues. The field 37% from long range and 6 of 10 at the free throw line. Another creative move by Jimmy Oliveira.
Getting guys going.
The jumper goes, Parochi. But also, he keeps it light.
Yeah.
Jordan down the floor for the flush. Levert back in. Shake and bake on a kick. Find the open man, it's Prince. Count it for 3.
Excellent inside out. Great pass by Spencer Dinwiddie. That's important.
Hetzheimer sits with 4 fouls. The flip shot goes for Jimmy Oliveira. He has shown no fear for Dave Jackson. Cipollini, oh, the steal. Levert glides to the hole for the slammer. Upstairs, Allen goes up, adjusts, and throws it down. Oliveira in a crowd. Kick out. Jackson lines it up, and he cans it. A 3. Post-up opportunity. Diaz to the rim. Count it, and a foul. Levert drains the triple. Caris Levert, beautiful form. Dave Jackson, the jumper goes. He's had a very successful international career going back to 2007. Nwaba off the backdoor feed. Caris Levert of assisted baskets. Prince steps into it and buries it. Taurean Prince, career 38% three-point shooter. Cipollini from deep. Dinwiddie lobs. Jared Allen. as the throw flies. Corner jump. Karis LeVert comes up short. Rebound. Allen had a hand on it, but it's controlled by Cipollini. Allen scrapes it away. Cipollini lands on him. LeVert digs at it. Nwaba comes up with a loose ball and the deuce.
He does, but so much of that stems from his coaching staff.
Nice save. Courage to Allen. You're going to be attractive to other teams, and the Nets were happy for the success, as Spencer Dinwiddie was part of the bench.
Yeah, and same thing with the Long Island Nets. Will Weaver getting a job, and therefore Sean Fine, who wasn't playing.
Matt Riccardi moves up into the GM role in Long Island. Well, Torian Prince has it stuck on automatic. Defensively, they're going to push him to play winning basketball on the defensive end. And Torian Prince.
We heard Torian talking about the versatility.
Dinwiddie the steal and a two-handed slam. Trying to feed the post. Denied. Jump shot does not go from Shatman. All the way, Karis LeVert. Oliveira, no. The Nets have shut out Franca here in the third. Diaz finally ends it with a three-ball. Hetzheimer gives it up, and Jackson nails it from downtown. Utah Jazz, Jared Dudley, the Los Angeles Lakers. Prince lobs it up, Jordan! DeAndre Jordan. Hetzheimer.
Get out to China. It's not going to be the same routine of a training camp that you would have here.
Hetzheimer is not human.
David stole the shine.
Inside for Oliveira. And sometimes fours. Jackson, a three. Kenny Atkinson will take a timeout. Pinson the steal. He's got Musa. Couldn't finish. The follow jam. Nwaba trailing the play to other players. Inside for Cipollini. We're trying to build on the foundation and the principles that we're developing, including three-point shooting from Garrett Temple. Said it does put more pressure on the coaches. Oliveira, that's a long two-pointer for Oliveira. All the pieces fit in, and that's across the league. Jordan gets to the rim.
For this group, but in some instances or some seasons, it's not always the case.
Up and under, Garrett Temple. He's tall enough to shift him over to the three on certain matchups. Push shot goes down for Dave Jackson.
Well, and you mentioned it earlier.
Temple's Jay. No. Musa offensive rebound, goes right back with it. Lost it. Regathers and scores. Jaded Musa. Musa goes behind the back. Nice shovel. Behind the back. Inside for Claxton.
Sounds like
just thought
potato.
Yeah, this had more flair. Nice look inside. Jackson with a finish.
That pass had a little flair.
Yeah.
You have a favorite?
It wouldn't be plum. I've never had a plum. And weight of each player to keep it fresh. Wow. 4:40 to play in this fourth quarter. Claxton sets up. And he cranks it down. Deflected. Jackson forced into a fade. Tough shot. Dave Jackson. Musa looking to take it to the rim. He does for two. Marginal possibilities with the Nets turn into difference makers. And there's Claxton again. No, they're going to see the process through and see what the circumstances are. The flip goes in for Oliveira.
Think about Jared Allen going into his rookie year.
Having major impacts. Claxton on the roll to the rim. Switch. Splash. John on Musa. Timeout called by Franca.
The rookie.
Final minute 35 here in Brooklyn. The push shot goes down for Augusto Alcasa, the 18-year-old.
I'll tell you what.
Nwaba, a corner three.
Bunch of individuals, not just on the court, but off the court.
Claxton steps in. Look out. Claxton running the floor on a rack attack. Another opportunity. And this time it's Pinson. 137 to 89. With new faces.